We are pleased to show you the 2014 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, inside you'll find power rear window sunshade, low tire pressure warning. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Come see the car for yourself.